Hey guys, I am back again and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy S8 versus a Honor 8X. And Honor 8X comes with a Huawei Kirin 710 processor with a 4 GB RAM, and this is of course Samsung Galaxy S8 which has comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor with a 4 GB RAM, and it is also the flagship phone of 2017, the base Samsung Galaxy S8. So let's see who is faster in this speed test, because Honor 8X it is a very good phone and it is costing around 38,000 PKR. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And Honor 8X comes with a notch which I don't like, but the S8 is a infinity display with a quad HD display. I really liked. Let's see who is faster there. And Honor 8X is faster and Samsung Galaxy S8 is right behind. Everything is closed up in the background like always, and first is the application that is called as the phone dialer. Here we go. And faster on the Honor 8X, launching the settings on both phones. Here we go. And Samsung Galaxy S8 is faster in a system based application. Let's launching the another system based application, the calculator. Here we go. And this time the Honor 8X are just a tiny bit faster there, launching some games application. And first is the Subway Surfer. Here we go, launching at the same time. And Samsung Galaxy S8 is faster, and it is a super duper fast because the Snapdragon 835 processor, which is a really powerful processor compared to the Honor 8X, which has comes with a Huawei Kirin 710 processor, launching the Candy Crush. And let's see who is faster there. And you can see Samsung Galaxy S8 is super duper fast in this application. In all my two games loading tests, S8 is faster because the Snapdragon 835 processor making the phone again beast compared to the Honor 8X. Launching the Temple Run 2. Here we go. Show you what is the difference between a mid-range phone versus a high and a flagship phone. And you can see Samsung Galaxy S8 is loading very faster than the Honor 8X, but 4 GB RAM after IMC the RAM management. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera. Here we go. And faster on the S8, and you can see side by side UI, and this phone is giving you a slow motion feature as well as a Honor 8X, but the AI feature is awesome on the Honor 8X. But the camera wise S8 is also very good with a f1.7 aperture with a 4K recording, but it is record up to full HD at 60 frames per second. So let's launching the internet browser on both phones and show you guys what is the speed. Google Chrome versus a Samsung internet browser. I have launched the internet browser on both phones. First is the wikipedia.org. Here we go. And you can see Samsung Galaxy S8 is super duper fast, and you can see looks very smooth on both phones. Next up is the heavy website that is called as the wwe.com. Here we, and you can see Honor 8X is faster, and it is a super duper fast compared to the S8. That is a very good sign. And you can see it looks very smooth on the Honor 8S, and S8 is also very smooth, and you can see. And let's see important part of this video, the RAM management. First is the phone dialer, and you can see and 4 GB RAM on both phones. Settings, and I have to say the S8 is having a 2-year-old phone, and games is not refresh on the S8 Candy Crush, Temper Run 2, and Google Chrome. Overall, I have to say the app's operating speed, it is faster on the S8 because it has the Snapdragon 835 processor, because it has a more powerful processor than the Honor 8X, but Honor 8X is right behind to the S8. And the RAM management is absolutely mind-blowing on both phones. Not much a difference between S8 versus a Honor 8X in a RAM management. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy S8 versus a Honor 8X. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.